Hello beautiful creatures, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Cordelia and I love to talk about bright and colorful indie makeup, gothic fashion, and more. So please be sure to click that little subscribe button down below so you can join in the conversation, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss one of my videos when I upload. I typically upload on the weekends and I try to get out as many videos during the week as I possibly can. So today's video is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial on this abstract purple eyeshadow look that I dreamed up last night. Like this look showed up in my dreams like 3 or 4 times last night, and when I woke up this morning I was still thinking about it. I went through my work day, was thinking about it, and so I decided after work today I would film this video because I was just like, I don't know if anybody's gonna like it, but I thought this was cool. I'm sure this is inspired by makeup that I've seen on Instagram or Pinterest. So let me show you what it looks like up close. I would actually consider this a fairly easy hooded eye tutorial for beginners if you're looking to do abstract art or more of like an abstract graphical look. So yeah, if you want to see how I put together this look from my dreams, just keep watching. I've applied my Concrete Minerals eyeshadow primer, and I tightlined my upper waterline with the Nabla Cupid's Arrow in black and my lower waterline with the Nabla Cupid's Arrow in lavender. I've already applied all of the rest of my makeup for the day, so if you want to know what's on my face, everything will be in the description box down below. I'm going to take the P. Louise color Ibiza and the Sigma Buff and Blend E39 brush, and I'm just dipping the brush into the little paint tube, and I'm going to start to create my abstract shape here at the inner corner. I kind of picture this almost like the fin on a fish. So it's just kind of like broad and at the inner corner. And then I'm also doing a little section right here at the outer. Again, I'm thinking of this kind of like a fish fin. A little bit closer than I wanted to my eyebrow, so I'm just cleaning this up with a little Q-tip. I feel like this is a very like easy abstract tutorial for beginners because it's kind of like blobbing shapes on. I'm going to take Sugar Pill Brick Toast and a fluffy round like domed blending brush. This is an IT Cosmetics 105, and I'm going to put a light coating of Brick Toast on this center part in between the 2 splotches of purple. Next, I'm going to use Karla Cosmetics Drama Queen, which is a really pretty multi-chrome. And a Smith 253 brush. I am going to make sure my brush is damp with a little bit of Urban Decay's All Nighter spray. This is going to go just onto my mobile lid. Because I have hooded eyes, my mobile lid disappears when my eye is open, and it's going to go and touch the purple on the inner and outer corner. I'm going to use my Flick Stick pen next. This is really, I would say, very big for a liquid liner. It's just what I have in my collection, and I'm going to try using this little magic guide from Half Magic Beauty to create my little dude at the outer corner. An easier way to do this might be to use like a card, or put down a light taupe shadow first and then draw over it with your liquid liner. And I'm going to try and eyeball the inner corner little V. I find it's easier for me when I'm doing liner stuff, especially with liquid liner, to draw short little dashes and then connect them. Alright, so I got it in place. Yay! I am going to try curling my lashes. They don't often like to hold a curl. I'm going to apply my Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I don't often do my mascara application on camera because I feel like I'm 10 times more likely to poke myself in the eye. I'm going to take black Moon Catshark and just very, very lightly, carefully put a little bit of it up here as a highlight. And then I'm just going to use a little Q-tip to make sure and blend it out. Alright, so let me get close so you can see the finished eye look up close. Alright, so here's the finished eye look up close. I'm hoping you can see all the really pretty multi-chrome sparkle and shifts. And here's my finished face makeup up close. Everything that's on my face will be in the description box. So what do you think of this purple eyeshadow look that I dreamed up? I swear, it just like was bugging me all day today. I had to get this out because I dreamed about this like on and off last night. Yeah, anyway, I want to know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, all the things. I truly appreciate it and I'm so grateful to you. I hope that you are having a beautiful day when you watch this, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye, beautiful creatures.